Are you tired of starting a fitness routine only to fall off the wagon a few weeks later? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share 10 tried and true tips and tricks on how to build a sustainable fitness routine that sticks. 1. Start small and build gradually. The biggest mistake people make is diving in too deep, too fast. Instead, start small. Begin with short, manageable workouts, maybe just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Gradually increase the duration and intensity as your body adapts. Remember, consistency is key. 2. Find activities you enjoy. Fitness shouldn't feel like a chore. Experiment with different types of exercises, whether it's yoga, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Find something you genuinely enjoy, and you'll be more likely to stick with it. The best routine is the one you look forward to. 3. Set realistic goals. Set achievable and realistic goals that are specific to your needs. Whether it's losing a certain amount of weight, gaining muscle, or simply feeling more energized, having a clear goal in mind will keep you motivated. Remember, progress takes time, so be patient with yourself. 4. Make it a habit. Consistency is built through habits. Pick a specific time each day to work out and stick to it. Whether it's first thing in the morning or right after work, making exercise a part of your daily routine will help it become second nature. 5. Track your progress. Keeping track of your progress is crucial for staying motivated. Whether you use a fitness app, journal, or simple checklist, seeing how far you've come can be incredibly encouraging. Celebrate small victories along the way, they add up. 6. Prioritize recovery. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Incorporate rest days into your routine to allow your muscles to heal and grow. Stretching, foam rolling, and adequate sleep are all essential components of a sustainable fitness plan. 7. Mix it up. Variety is the spice of life. Change up your workouts to prevent boredom and keep your body challenged. Try different exercises, alternate between cardio and strength training, or even explore new fitness classes. This not only keeps things exciting but also helps you target different muscle groups. 8. Find a workout buddy. Working out with a friend can make a huge difference. A workout buddy can help keep you accountable, push you to work harder, and make the experience more fun. Plus, it's always nice to have someone to share your fitness journey with. 9. Stay hydrated and nourished. Proper hydration and nutrition are vital for sustaining your energy levels and supporting recovery. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in nutrients. This will keep you feeling strong and ready for each workout. 10. Be flexible and adapt. Life happens, and sometimes you may miss a workout. Don't be too hard on yourself. The key to sustainability is flexibility. If you miss a day, get back on track the next day. Adapt your routine as needed, and remember, fitness is a lifelong journey. Building a sustainable fitness routine doesn't have to be overwhelming. By starting small, finding what you enjoy, and staying consistent, you can create a routine that lasts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on leading a healthier life. See you next time.